Hello friends, I'm Dr. Angelina Dcosta, and today I want to share something very important for men over the age of 60, who may be struggling with weaker morning erections, low energy, or poor circulation. Many men believe that only medications can help, but the truth is, your body already has built-in healing points that can naturally restore blood flow and improve performance. In this video, I will guide you through 3 simple pressure points that you can massage daily to support firmer, longer-lasting morning erections. These points are linked to improved blood circulation, hormone balance, and relaxation of the nervous system, 3 key factors for better intimate health. You don't need expensive equipment, pills, or risky treatments. Just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle pressure on these points every day can make a powerful difference in your energy, confidence, and bedroom performance. I'll also explain when and how to press these points safely, the right breathing techniques to combine with them, and important lifestyle tips that enhance the results. Remember, this is not just about intimacy, it's about overall vitality, heart health, and a better quality of life. Whether you're 60, 70, or even 80, your body can still respond when you give it the right natural support. Stay with me until the end of the video, because I'll also share one bonus circulation boosting routine that many of my patients over 60 absolutely love. If you care about your health, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss my natural doctor's advice for men's health. Let's get started. I want to highlight an often overlooked factor affecting men's intimate health, the hidden link between blood flow, stress, and male performance. Many men only focus on physical strength or hormone levels, but in reality, your circulation and stress levels play an even bigger role in your overall performance. When blood vessels are healthy and open, oxygen-rich blood flows freely to every part of the body, including the reproductive system. But high stress releases excess cortisol, a hormone that restricts circulation, raises blood pressure, and interferes with testosterone. Over time, this combination leads to weaker erections, lower energy, and reduced confidence. The good news is that simple lifestyle changes, deep breathing, acupressure, exercise, and mindful relaxation can naturally restore balance. By managing stress and improving circulation, men over 60 can see noticeable improvements in energy, vitality, and performance. Next session, I will introduce you to the world of natural acupressure, therapy for men's health. Many men over 60 silently struggle with low energy, poor circulation, and weaker morning erections, thinking that only medications can help. But in reality, your body has built-in healing points that, when stimulated correctly, can improve blood flow, release tension, and restore balance to the entire system. Acupressure works by gently pressing specific points on the body that are connected to nerves and blood vessels. This stimulation relaxes the nervous system, supports hormone health, and encourages stronger circulation, all of which are vital for male performance. The best part is that acupressure is safe, natural, and can be practiced daily in just a few minutes without side effects. Join me as I explain how these techniques can enhance vitality, confidence, and overall well-being for men at any age. Now I will explore pressure point 1, which is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to boost blood circulation naturally. Good circulation is the foundation of male vitality, energy, and stronger morning erections. Without healthy blood flow, even the best diet or exercise plan may not deliver full results. This pressure point is located in an area that directly supports blood vessels and encourages oxygen-rich blood to flow more efficiently throughout the body. By gently pressing and massaging this point, for just a few minutes each day, you can help relax tight muscles, reduce stress, and stimulate better circulation. Over time, this can improve stamina, confidence, and overall wellness. The beauty of this method is that it's safe, natural, and requires no medication. Just your hands, patience, and consistency can bring powerful results. Now let's move to pressure point 2, which plays a powerful role in supporting hormone balance and stamina for men, especially after the age of 60. As we grow older, testosterone levels gradually decline, leading to low energy, reduced performance, and weaker morning erections. But by stimulating this specific point, you can naturally support hormone function and restore balance in your body. This pressure point is connected to glands that influence both energy and reproductive health. When pressed gently and consistently, it helps reduce stress hormones, improves circulation, and encourages the body to produce and utilize testosterone more efficiently. With better hormone balance, men often notice improved stamina, confidence, and vitality in daily life. The best part is that this technique is simple, safe, and natural. Practicing it daily takes only minutes, yet it can bring long-lasting results for health and performance. Let's now look at pressure point 3, which focuses on relaxing the nerves for stronger morning erections. Many men don't realize that performance is not only about blood flow and hormones, it is also deeply connected to the nervous system. When your nerves are tense due to stress, anxiety, or poor sleep, circulation is restricted, and your body cannot respond the way it should. This pressure point helps calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and release tension from the body. By gently pressing and massaging it for a few minutes daily, you allow the blood vessels to open, encourage better oxygen supply, and promote deeper relaxation. This combination naturally supports firmer and more consistent morning erections. The beauty of this technique is its simplicity. You don't need any equipment or medication, just your hands and a few quiet minutes each day. Along with acupressure, the way you breathe can make a big difference in how well these techniques work. That's why I want to share a simple step-by-step breathing technique, designed to enhance circulation, calm the nerves, and improve male performance naturally. Start by sitting comfortably, with your back straight. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, filling your lungs deeply. Hold your breath gently for 2 counts, then exhale slowly through your mouth, for a count of 6. This longer exhale helps relax the nervous system, and lowers stress hormones like cortisol, which often interfere with blood flow and stamina. Repeat this cycle for 5 to 10 minutes daily, especially while stimulating the pressure points. Over time, you will notice better relaxation, improved oxygen supply, and stronger morning vitality. Simple, natural, and effective, just breathe with intention. Next, I want to share a bonus circulation boosting routine that many of my male patients over 60 have found extremely helpful. Good circulation is the foundation of strong energy, healthy arteries, and firmer morning erections. Without it, the body cannot deliver enough oxygen and nutrients to vital areas. This simple routine involves 3 steps. First, gentle stretching in the morning to loosen stiff muscles and encourage blood flow. Second, 5 minutes of brisk walking or marching in place to activate the heart and pump fresh blood through the vessels. Third, light tapping with your fingertips on the legs and lower abdomen to stimulate circulation in areas that need it most. This entire practice takes less than 15 minutes, yet when done daily, it can greatly improve vitality, stamina, and confidence. Remember, movement is medicine, and consistency is the real secret. Along with acupressure and breathing, your daily lifestyle choices play a huge role in improving blood flow and boosting energy levels. Simple habits can make all the difference. Staying active with daily walking or light exercise keeps your circulation strong. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats supports both heart and vascular health. Staying hydrated and limiting alcohol or smoking also protect your blood vessels. Managing stress through relaxation, prayer, or meditation calms the nervous system. Small, consistent changes can rebuild stamina, vitality, and confidence at any age. In summary, maintaining male vitality after 60 is entirely possible with natural, safe techniques. By combining gentle acupressure, on-key pressure points, mindful breathing, circulation-boosting routines, and healthy lifestyle changes, you can support stronger morning erections, higher energy, and overall confidence. Remember, consistency is key. Just a few minutes each day can lead to noticeable improvements over time. Your body has incredible healing power, and with care and dedication, men over 60 can reclaim vitality, stamina, and wellness naturally. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching.